What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop at Signature Glass Tinting, and we're looking at another Tesla Model Y we just pulled from the back. Every window on this car was just tinted. You guys, I got a couple other videos you can watch here on our YouTube channel. This one's gonna be really short and sweet. Just a real quick walk through what we did to this car. Here we go. We did the Lumar IRX 15% on the front doors. We did the Lumar IRX 50% on the back half. We did the Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield. And on the roof, we did again the Lumar IRX 50. The Lumar IRX is a nano ceramic film. It offers roughly 88% infrared heat rejection, 99% UV protection. The front windshield, 99.9% UV protection and 86% infrared heat rejection. We do not mess around with the cheaper films. You guys, when it comes to the Tesla Model 3, we have tinted over 2,000 of them. We've never had one single Tesla Model 3 back window come back and haunt us with a warranty. But guess what? We've done over 15 warranties for other customers that went with other films. I'm not gonna mention names, but guys, listen, if you don't choose Signature Glass Tinting to tint your Tesla, find somebody that offers Lumar window film. Find somebody that offers Formula One window film, and make sure you get the absolute best. Lumar, Formula One, both films are made by Eastman Chemical Company, and both films, excuse me, we had a car drive by, both films are literally the best window film money can buy. Every single piece of film on this car was installed in what we call a one-piece installation. All the roll-up windows were digitally cut and then filed and shaved. The windshield, of course, we hand cut. That's a custom job. We don't run that through the plotter. We want to make sure it's perfect. You got to get in and around that rear view mirror area of the car. It's kind of like it looks like a third brake light. It's a bunch of sensors and there's electronics in there. We hand cut all of that. All the roll-up windows I mentioned were filed and shaved. In fact, let's walk up, we'll take a look here. There's no light gap. Everything fits perfect. And I'm gonna point right into the sun here, but everything fits perfect. Everything was filed and shaved. The roof, of course, was done in one piece. If you watch my other videos, you know we own the roof glass. Again, we do so many Tesla Model Ys. Just like the Model 3, we went out and bought the back window. With the Model Y, we went out and bought the roof. We set the roof glass up on a stand. We do all the heat shrinking, all the heat molding, all the film cutting on our window. We never get on your, gosh, again, I'm gonna walk up here. If you haven't seen my other videos, I'm kind of repeating what I did there. You guys, I'm 6'3". I can send you pictures of other shops that literally stand on the seat and reach across. I'm 6'3" and I cannot reach across. Last thing you want is somebody standing on your door jamb or standing on your seats in the back reaching across the top. And the way it works is one person's on the top with a knife looking down through the glass and the other person is inside with a light, and we're trimming with a knife around the edge. That's not what we do. We bought the back window, we set it up on a stand, we do all the cutting, all the heat shrinking, all the dangerous work that could damage your car. We do it on our piece of glass, and we crawl inside, we shut the doors, and we install the window film. It's that simple. Lumar window film, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. You guys, every window film manufacturer out there offers a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. You gotta look through the warranty and read the fine print. There's no such thing as a window film manufacturer that warranties anything installed illegally. So the front doors on this Tesla Model Y, the front windshield on this Tesla Model Y, they're not covered by any manufacturer's warranty. So we have what's called our signature no charge, no fault guarantee. It covers all the windows the manufacturer does not cover. It also covers all 4 roll-ups and the little quarter windows. If they're ever scratched, broken, if this car is ever in an accident, vandalism, whatever happens, we will retint the windows on this car for free. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, find us on Instagram, find us on TikTok, find us on Facebook, find us everywhere. We're everywhere. Or come on down and pay us a visit. Give us a call the old-fashioned way. We'll walk you through what we have to offer. We'll point you in the right direction. Even if you don't use us at Signature Glass Tinting, find a good Lumar dealer. Find someone that has the back window, excuse me, the roof window. You don't want anybody crawling all over your car. Tint your Tesla the right way the first time. Trust me, we do a lot of redos for other companies, and you don't want to be that victim. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Thanks for watching.